Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. If you love crocheting and you've ever thought, can I make money crocheting this? Well, the answer is yes. Yes, you can. You can crochet items like this or items like this and make money. Yes, you can. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn your fun crochet hobby into a side income. Even if you're just starting out, I'll share real ideas, where to sell, and tips on how to make your crocheting stand out and get your first sale faster. So let's just dive right in. First, you need to find your niche. First, let's talk about what you'll make. You don't have to crochet everything under the sun. Find a niche that you enjoy and that sells well. For instance, baby blankets and clothes, just about anything that's baby related is always just about a guarantee to make a sale. Plushies and amigurumi, these things are usually pretty hot, and you'll see a lot of these at flea markets and places like that. These things sell really well too. And don't forget your seasonal items. Oh my gosh, the pumpkins, the carrots, those things, they sell very well. Christmas items, people want that. They want especially the handmade look. They want that in their homes, in their decorations, their decor. And you can never go wrong with the hats, scarves, anything just about this, wearable, the mitt, the gloves, all those things. You really need to take all of these items into consideration and find your niche. Find the item that you enjoy crocheting and using like a hobby for you, that you enjoy the most. If making scarves and hats is your thing, then you're going to put more time, effort, love, and you're more of a skill into it and market it more than if you were forced to have to make a plushie that you don't care about. These things may be hard for you. This may be easier for you. And you will find yourself, if you can find your niche, the thing that makes you happy, that you crochet, that is the thing that you need to be selling. The very next thing I got to say is start small. Don't crochet 50 of these and not know if they're going to sell or not. That is a no-no. Just start with a few pieces. Make a shawl. Make a couple of these, maybe in the different stripes. Put it out there, market it, see how it goes, and see which one of your items gets the most attention. And here's a pro tip. Give yourself permission to experiment. Your best-selling item just might surprise you. All right, guys, where to sell? As you guys know, I sell on Etsy. So I think Etsy, in my opinion, is the #1 handmade place to sell your product. But you always have Facebook Marketplace. I've sold quite a few things in Facebook Marketplace, and it does very well there as well. The Facebook Marketplace and the buy-sell groups, those are more local pickups for you. No shipping and handling, that type of thing. Don't forget Instagram and TikTok. Those are huge places to sell as well. Just make a short little video clip of your item and market it that way. And if you want face-to-face contact with customers, do your local flea markets and fairs. Oh, and farmers markets. How could I forget that? Your local farmer market. Pro tip, don't try to sell everywhere at first. Just try a place or two, see how it goes, and learn from that. All right, guys, let's move on to pricing your crochet items. That can be a little tricky. We don't want you to sell yourself short. We want you to make money. Okay, so I have a simple formula. Material cost plus the hours worked times the hourly rate plus a profit margin. Example, if your yarn costs $5 and it takes you 3 hours, $10 an hour, plus $5 profit, your price is $40. And yes, people will pay for quality handmade products if you market it well. Marketing made simple. You don't have to be a market expert. Try these ideas. Post a short video of you crocheting your item and then of the finished product. Share customer reviews and happy buyer photos. Use seasonal trends like pastel items for spring, seasonal colors for the season. And don't forget, behind the scenes videos work very well too. People just love seeing the making process. Grow over time. Start with a few products, keep learning, and add to that. And as you grow, You may create PDF patterns to sell like I do. I sell PDF patterns on Etsy and I sell them on my YouTube channel here. So you can earn even when you're not crocheting. So if I've inspired you to start selling your crochet items, hit that like button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section of what you would like to crochet, or just let me know that I've inspired you. And tap that bell so that you'll always be notified of my crochet videos. If you leave a comment below of what you'd like to sell, believe me, I will be cheering you on. Okay guys, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to keep crocheting, get your product out there, make some money, and just enjoy this beautiful hobby that you have. Keep crocheting, live life, and have fun. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.